Ito, Kiko, sasabihin ko, tandaan mo to, ha? Itaga mo sa bato. Saka kaya mo na sibuyas at bawang na yan. Magiging dragon ka balang araw. Bubuga ka ng apoy. Hmm? Oo! Dragon!
Dovi? Ano yun?
Yan, chemical plant yan.
Chemical plant?
Oo. Pero, ipinasara na eh. Hindi na nag-ooperate. Kasi maraming tao ang nagpetisyon dahil sa sobrang kapal ng polusyon.
Ay, nako, mabuti na lang. Delikado talaga sa mga kalusugan ng taong ganyang klaseng planta. At isa
Sinabi
pa,
mo.
hindi yan bagay sa napakagandang lugar na kagaya nito.
Talaga?
Talagang maganda tong place nyo. Tsaka, fresh na fresh ang pakiramdam ko.
Wow! At long last, ligtas na tayo sa usok ng Maynila.
Hindi pa pala tayo ligtas! Naku, lagot ka, nakadisgrasya ka. Naku! Lagot ako. Bakit?
Nakalisensya.
Oo!
Tumakas na tayo.
Tutulungan natin sila. Halika na!
Ayoko! Makukulo ako! Mabibintay ako!
Gulo! Yan, kasi! Nirantis mo kasi!
Miss, pasensya na kasi. Toby? Toby! Napabuti. Pero iba yan. Baka hindi naman na ako.
Talagang ididemanda kita!
Bakit?
Tingnan mo ang ginawa mo sa amin!
Alam mo, pwede ba pag makikipag-usap ka sa akin, isara mo yung bibig mo? Dahil ang bantot!
Joy!
Ano pinupungay-pungay na mata mo? Baka akala mo cute ka. Hindi ka cute, cute! Alam mo, dahil sa kinakain mong bawang at sibuyas, pati mata mo amoy imburnal.
Toby, ano magagawa ko? Maulipit ako lubong ko sa'yo.
Pwede ba? Bago ka manligaw, bumili ka muna ng isang tambak na toothpaste at matuto ka maglinis ng bunganga mo! Umalis ka nga dyan! Ang bantot mo!
Hoy, anong tinitingin-tingin mo? Ha? At saka, bakit nakikiubo ka sa amin, ha?
Hindi, naisip ko lang na kung kasing ganda nyo magiging nurse, na naisip ko na magkasakit para naman aalagaan nyo ako.
Hay nako, huwag mo na nga kaming bulahin, no? Tsaka tignan mo nga mga alaga namin. Sinumpong ng sakit ng dahil sa inyo. At dahil sa inyong dalawa ng kasama mo, muntik na kaming mahulog sa bangin. At yung gulong namin sa likod, na flat.
Gulong? Na flat? Walang problema yan. Ako ang bala. Oy. Tawaran mo na. Sige na.
Mahal? ganito. May isa ako. Loko ka! Ha?
Hoy! 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 Ah!
Who's on the line
Nikki
here?
raw ang pangalan eh, and she sounds familiar.
Nikki. Si Nikki, yung anak ng pinakamatalik kong kaibigan sa US Navy. Thank you. Hello?
Captain? Captain Polaris.
Yes, your dad says you're coming over to help me organize the beach resort. When are you flying over?
We're here. We're here in the Philippines.
In the Philippines? You mean at the airport?
No, we're at the pier. Pier number 7.
Could you kindly send someone to pick us up? We don't know how to get to the resort.
Sure, no problem. I'll send my granddaughter Dovie to fetch you. But just stay put there, okay?
Great. We'll be waiting.
Okay, hang loose. Bye. Dovie, si Nikki yun. Nasa Pier 7 pala. Kailangan sunduin mo ngayon, ora mismo.
Ngayon na, Lolo.
Oo, iha. Dali.
Eh, sira ang service car natin
Ay,
eh.
naku naman. Gumawa ka ng paraan. Okay?
Eh, sige, Lolo.
I know I can count on you, iha.
Sure they're coming?
I'm positive. I called them by phone.
What is taking them so long?
I don't know. They'll be here. Just relax. Just relax. They'll be here anytime, okay? I think they're coming.
In that truck?
Sure, why not?
Oh my God.
Ano ba yan? Wala namang katao-tao dito ah. Umalis na kaya tayo. Ayun oh, dalawang egay oh.
Can't see a
What a
thing.
mess.
O tara, magtanong tayo.
Halika, halika.
Tayo na.
Hello, Africa. Answer question. Pwede mo magtanong? Oh?
What?
We are just asking if you have seen two white girls around.
Well, a few minutes ago we were white, but now we're black.
Yeah.
See?
Hoy!
Ay, bag!
Laki naman.
Anong eyebag?
Yung ita, ay pagputi oh.
So, you must be Nikki.
Yes, I am.
Hoy, kasating! Binoto kita,
Talaga
binoto
to.
kita.
And you're Nancy, right?
That's right.
So you're the girls we're looking for.
Yeah.
Right.
Shall we go now?
Sure.
Don't worry about that. We'll take care of it.
Okay.
Taas mo naman.
Come on.
Sure.
Hay! Ang puti ng mga binti. Yan ang light bag. Ang light bag. Libag yan eh. Diba? Libag?
Oh, ano pa iniintay niyo dyan? Tara na.
Ay, ito na. Okay.
Captain Polaris,
Yes?
this is such a wonderful resort. We enjoy it very much.
Oh, thank you so much, Nikki.
Yes, I've traveled all around the States, and I've never seen anything quite like this.
Is that right?
My father sent me here to help you out financially. You did such a wonderful job.
You know, Nikki, I don't know how to express my gratitude to your father and the family.
Oh, no, please, Captain. You don't need to express your gratitude. You saved my father's life during the war, don't you remember?
And I'm just doing my duty.
Lolo, Isang daang beses ko nang narinig yung story na yan, eh baka gutom na yung mga guest natin.
I'm sorry. O sige, tawagin mo na.
Waiters!
Sorry ho! Sorry! Sorry ho! Kayo na ho! Sorry ho! Sorry! Oh. Ah! Anong gusto niyong kainin? Ayan, sandali lang. Okay. You want this, ma'am?
Sweet love.
No, thank you.
Gusto mo?
Ano ba kayo? Ayusin niyo pagsisilbi niyo. Yung alak, kunin niyo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They're not actually waiters. They're fish vendors. And they
Oh.
volunteered to do this job when they saw you.
It's okay, Captain Polaris.
It's all right.
Yes.
Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Kampai! Ano ba kayo? Malis na nga kayo. Alis. 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 Alis.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May I help you?
Yes. Can you please give us a room where we won't be disturbed?
I know what you mean.
Yes.
Sign here and I'll take care of it.
All right.
Kiko!
Ma'am?
Pakisamahan sila sa Cottage 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Just follow him.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This way.
Get all the bags in the compartment.
Yes, ma'am. Take all the bag for the apartment.
Yes, sir!
Is the sala. And this is the sala set. At the back is the kitchen. Over there
Oh!
is the balcony. Your wood. You forgot.
Oh! Ricky! Honey, you okay?
I'm gonna kill him!
No, no,
Kill
no!
him!
Leave him!
I'm gonna
He's
kill him!
crazy!
I'm gonna
No.
kill him!
Come on.
Oh!
The forest. The bird. The crocodile. The monkey. Multo!
Hi, Nancy! Hi, Nikki!
Init.
Hi!
Hi, everybody!
Will these guys want to join your life-saving team?
To be a lifeguard, you have to be physically fit. You have to be mentally alert.
1 plus 1.
11.
Where in the world could you die singing?
Singapore.
The national hero of the Philippines is...
Dead.
You must also learn the ABCs of life saving. A is for air.
Air.
What's that?
Low pressure air.
B is for breath.
Oy.
In that?
Bad breath.
And C is for circulation.
Last much. Not yet.
I'm sorry, I said circulation, not